Hi there, this is Andy, and today I will show you how to open a brokerage account on Robinhood, fund it, buy and sell stocks or ETFs, and navigate the platform. To begin, click the link below the video to get a free stock, or head to the Robinhood website. If you click the link, you will land on this page, click Claim your free stock, which I advise you to do. Anything free is good. If you go to the website directly though, click Sign Up on the top left side. Either way, this will be the landing page you want to be. Here, enter your first and last name, email address, and the password. As this is a real account, I will hide my information. Once ready, click Continue. On the new page, add your phone number and address. Then you will have to verify your phone number. I prefer the send by text, but feel free to use the one that works best for you. Insert the 6-digit code and then add your social security number, date of birth, and citizenship. Then hit Continue. Now pick how much investing experience you have. There is no right or wrong pick, just pick your truth and continue. The second question is if you want to enable options. Robinhood is well known for its easy way to trade options. If you're new to investing, I would suggest you stay clear of options. If you know your way around them, then sure, why not? I have traded options prior. I do not fancy them much, and that is why I will not activate them on this account. Keep in mind, you can always activate them later, so let's proceed. Fill out your employer's info, answer a few more common questions that basically every broker asks, and finally read and accept the terms and conditions. There are quite a few of them, so just go through them. Great, you're almost there. Robinhood provides us the option to start with Robinhood Legend. This is their new trading platform, which we will of course have a look later on. For the purpose of this video, we'll click Not right now, but I will show you how to activate it later on the video. Now let's proceed and fund the account. Robinhood uses Plaid, a service that is also used by majority of brokers online. This server allows you to connect your bank account with a broker directly and deposit funds. To do that, click Continue. Enter your phone number and then pick the bank account you would like to connect. To note here that I have already used Plaid prior, so I have my account in there already. If you do not, and which is totally okay, add your phone and then you will be prompted to your bank website to log in and connect your account. Accept and give access to make the connection. Anyhow, once you complete that step, all you need to do is to pick the account you want to fund your account with, and then provide Robinhood with access to your account. I know it may look a bit scary, but that's how things work. As a tip, I always use a secondary account that I deposit funds that I intend to use for investing. That way my main account is not connected to the broker. After you complete all the steps, click Allow, and finally you will be ready to transfer funds to your Robinhood account. I will deposit $30. The website will provide you with a review. If you agree, hit Submit. And there you have it. You're all set. Your account is open and funded. Let's explore what Robinhood has to offer and make our first investment. To do that, enter the ticker you wish to buy on the search box above. As always, I will add one of my favorite ETFs, the SCHD, which is the Swamp US Dividend Equity ETF. And as you probably guessed, it pays dividends, which is one of the best ways to grow your account over time. Anyhow, I will create a specific video talking about ETFs and dividends, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe. To proceed and make our first investment, we need to either enter the amount we want to use to buy SCHD, or we can buy a full share. Robinhood allows you to buy partial shares on stocks and ETFs, which is great. The minimum amount to buy is $1, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the lowest in the market. For this purchase, I will buy a full share of SCHD. The current price is $27.66. So once you are ready, hit Review Order, and you shall receive an order summary. If you agree, hit Buy. Congratulations, you have bought your first stock or ETF on the Robinhood platform. Now let's head back to our investing profile to see what it changed. On top you can see a chart which is in decline as I lost 1 cent. I will recover from that, I promise. That chart will form over time as this is a totally new account. Below that, you can see the buying power left. Click on it. It asks if we want to enable margin or if we want to deposit more funds. None of these. What we want to do right now is to get on the holding screen. To get there, click Account on the top right side and then select Investing. Here we can see our portfolio value, which is up by 5 cents, our current assets distribution, which is 92% on stocks and about 7.7% in cash, and the stocks we currently hold, which is none other than the SCHD. On the bottom, you can see the option to enable margin investing, which is another feature that if you are not familiar with, you better stay away. From here, you can add more funds to your account by hitting transfers. You can set recurring investments, check reports and statement, taxes, history, and so on. But now you may wonder, how do we sell? Well, to do that, click on the stock or ETF you have purchased and you will be redirected back to the trading dashboard. It's exactly the same process, but instead of buying, now we will be selling. To do that, click Sell, SCHD, pick the share you want to sell and hit Sell. You will then receive an order summary and if you agree, hit Sell. Simple as that. I will not sell my SCHD today as I want to hold one asset to show you what else the platform has to offer. The first thing I would like to touch base on is the Robinhood Gold. There's a lot of talk about it and I am certain you already heard about it or as a new investor you will. So Robinhood Gold costs $5 per month and offers some perks. Let's have a look at those perks and decide if it's worth to spend the $5 per month or not. Those perks are 4.5% API in your cash. That is a good API for sure, given the current market. And if you keep about $1,500 per year in the account with Robinhood in cash, and I want to emphasize they need to be in cash, buying power, you will receive the equivalent amount of the subscription. Actually, you shall receive about $67.50, which is $7.50 above the subscription. Keep in mind that this rate can change anytime and that Robinhood is not an FDIC insured bank. As they note here, these funds will be insured in partner banks. The second perk is a 3% IRA match. Basically, for every $100 you deposit on your IRA account, Robinhood will give you $3 extra. Given that the current limits for the year are set to $7,000 for people under the age of 50 and $8,000 for those above that age, it can be between $210 to $240. And they will do that for 5 years. So if you max out your traditional or Roth IRA, which is a great idea to do, you will receive between $1,050 to $1,200 depends on your age. On those 5 years, you will pay $300 for their gold subscription if the price does not change, but you will get back way more. A third big benefit of Robinhood Gold is access to Morningstar research reports at no additional cost. These reports, typically part of a premium subscription with Morningstar, provide in-depth analysis and insights on stocks, helping investors make more informed decisions. The annual subscription to Morningstar costs around $250. The remaining perks are the bigger instant deposit of up to $5,000 and real market data. Last and very important, it provides access to margin trading. Now, most likely you're wondering, does it worth it? Well, if you plan to keep cash in your account, or you plan to open an IRA account, or you like the access to the Morningstar research reports, it's definitely worth the $5 per month. By the way, I have created a step-by-step guide on how to open and fund an IRA account. You can find the link on the description below. Now, let's explore the new trading platform offered by Robinhood, the Robinhood Legend. It's not like you can ignore it anyways, as there is a reminder on the top screen. So let's get to it. Hit Try Robinhood Legend. Review the terms and conditions, agree and continue. And there we are inside the Legend platform, which honestly is way too empty. Well, most likely you will be in the same boat as me, which is you have no idea where to start. And the pop-up indicates that, so click, got it. Click the plus button and select Start from a template. Here we get 8 templates to pick from. I will pick the stock trading, as an investor all I want is to buy and sell stocks. If you want to do trade trading or options trading, you can choose the options trading dashboard. Personally, I have not enabled options yet, but if you understand them and you want to do so, click Enable Options. It will take you roughly 2 minutes to go through the process and get approved. Once you do, your dashboard will look like this. Again, if you're here to invest, I would recommend you stay away from options. So I will go back to the stock trading dashboard. I have seen quite a few trading platforms in my trading years. This one looks decent. Obviously, I need to spend way more time on it and play around with it, but from a quick pick, it has nothing to envy from the other trading platforms out there. A day trader should be rather set with the future provided. Now we'll head back to the Robinhood platform as I want to check what information they offer for a stock or ETF. Once more, let's check SCHD, scroll down, and you will be able to see the sectors the ETF holds stocks on. And below that, their top 10 holdings with Pfizer to be the number 1, followed by Coca-Cola. Those contains as in order for a stock to be held by the ETF, it needs to maintain some standards. Scrolling further down, we can see the dividend yield, expense ratio, high and low, and related lists. I would like to have more information such as the dividend payouts over the past 10 years, and I say this because many brokers do offer that. They provide decent info, but they do not go in detail, I'm afraid. Keep in mind though that Robinhood is built for easy trading and not in-depth trading. Their new platform Robinhood Legend is a step towards day trading, but they have a lot of catch up to do in order to compare with top brokers such as Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and E-Trade on a matter of futures and trading tools. To summarize, Robinhood provides easy access and simplicity to investing. You can set up an account in less than 10 minutes, fund it, and buy stocks and ETFs with it. They have options trading, margin trading, and they allow you to create IRA accounts. On that topic, they also offer a match of 3% for 5 years, which is quite something. Overall, a decent trading platform, actually good for what it offers, simplicity and ease of use. I hope that this video helped you to create a Robinhood account, fund it, buy and sell stocks, and navigate the platform. Please like, subscribe, and comment your questions below. I will be more than happy to get back to you. Talk to you soon.